Welcome to the Beckman Institute training series for Sitefinity. In this lesson, we will be covering the feature topic widget. The feature topic widget is a full-width image and text object, or news item, used to draw attention to important information about the page, group, upcoming event, or special news. These should be used sparingly on your page. Depending on the length of your page, one or two of these widgets will nicely break up the content and add interesting landmarks to your site. Multiple feature topic widgets will automatically alternate the image left and right on the page. To use this widget, you'll need to be in the Page Content Manager. Then, on the right-hand widget pane, expand the Beckman Widgets menu, if not already expanded. Click and drag a feature topic widget onto your page. Click the Edit menu on the widget. The topic feature is selected by default. Follow the form on screen to fill in the information needed for the feature topic widget. The only optional field for feature topics is the label, and it should be 1 or 2 words and no more. You can see from the following screen where each item lands. To create a news item feature topic, change the type to news. Next, select the news item you wish to use. Be sure to select a news item with an image. Otherwise, you'll end up with an incomplete feature topic. Here's how a completed one looks. Notice that the 2 topics we have added are on alternate sides. Feature topics add an impressive banner to your site and will be noticed by users, but they should be used strategically and sparingly to sustain their impact.